Is now the right time to buy or sell Marathon Patent stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Marathon Patent. We initially published a report on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024, and today we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of February 8, 2024, our system has identified Marathon Patent as a strong investment opportunity, giving it a score of 3.66. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. For those who followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed a remarkable gain of 36.28% since we first recommended Marathon Patent as a buy candidate just 5 days ago. This translates to an average return of 7.26% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend, indicating a potential rise in the near future. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 37.62% change, with a possible return ranging from -16.78% to 70.62%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 52.38% change, with a potential return between -41.51% and 68.63%. This suggests a price range of $17.20 to $49.59 after a year. Our latest update on Marathon Patent brings exciting news. On Wednesday, the stock price of Marathon Patent increased by an impressive 14.35%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the stock price of Marathon Patent rose from $25.72 to $29.41. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $28.11 and a high of $29.73, showing a 5.76% difference. Over the past 10 days, the price of the stock has risen in 7 of them, resulting in a 65.88% increase over the past 2 weeks. This positive trend was accompanied by an increase in trading volume, with 723,000 more shares being traded compared to the previous day. In total, approximately 77 million shares were bought and sold for a value of $2.26 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Marathon Patent stock was $31.30, while the lowest price was $5.13. Currently, the stock price is 6.04% or $1.89 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 64.76% or $54.04 below the all-time high reached on November 9, 2021, when the price peaked at $83.45. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, January 17, 2024, it was reported that BTIG upgraded Mara to a buy grade. On Friday, September 23, 2022, it was reported that BTIG downgraded Mara to a neutral grade. On Thursday, August 11, 2022, it was reported that Jefferies upgraded Mara to a buy grade. On Tuesday, July 12, 2022, it was reported that B. Riley Securities maintained a neutral grade for Mara. On Friday, June 24, 2022, it was reported that Cowen & Company initiated coverage on Mara with a market perform grade. Analysts have given Marathon Patent stock a general rating of buy. They believe the PE ratio is a strong indicator to buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Marathon Patent. The Marathon Patent stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. On corrections down, the stock will find support at $23.21 and $21.29. If it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which may impact the stock's near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a minus 5.34% decrease so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 34 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 59 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average shows a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 55 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 48 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Marathon Patent. When it comes to support levels, Marathon Patent has some important ones to consider. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume at $25.63 and $23.49, which act as support levels for the stock. It's worth noting that there's always a certain level of risk when a stock tests a support level. If the current support at $25.63 is broken, the stock may decline further to the next support level at $23.49 and $22.40. Moving on to volatility, Marathon Patent can experience significant price movements throughout the day. This means there's a higher level of risk associated with this stock. The Bollinger Band also indicates a wide prediction interval, further highlighting the stock's very high-risk nature. Looking at the latest data, the stock had a price range of $1.62, representing a 5.76% difference between the high and low. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 16.2%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Marathon Patent, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is crucial as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or is not making any profits. Established companies can also face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected on March 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.0500. These numbers can have a significant impact on stock prices, so it's important to keep an eye on them. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Marathon Patent. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Marathon Patent stands at $31.07. If you're considering entering a position and don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for the stock to break this level. If you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Marathon Patent encounters its first support level at $25.63. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as we anticipate a potential rebound. The average rating for Marathon Patent from multiple analysts is buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On January 31, 2024, Uwisal said conducted an insider buy of 62,317 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, Uwisal said, conducted an insider sell of 31,158 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, SWIC Adam Michael conducted an insider buy of 285,924 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, Loop JP conducted an insider buy of 62,317 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, Crawford James conducted an insider buy of 294,501 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 80.018. Overall, insiders have purchased 6,322,631 shares and sold 852,804 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $28, which represents a decrease of 4.79%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. Additionally, the RSI 14 is currently at 80, further increasing the risk associated with this stock. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found 33 days ago. Is Marathon Patent stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, several short-term signals and a positive overall trend suggest that Marathon Patent stock may present a buying opportunity in the short term. However, it's important to note that our systems have identified the current price as overvalued, considering the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, February 15th, we anticipate that Marathon Patent will open with a decline of $0.327, starting at $29.08. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What's your target for this stock? We're eager to hear from you. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our goal is to provide you with valuable insights for successful trading. We hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.